Hello guys, welcome to today's lesson. This is your very own teacher, the undergraduate teacher. In today's lesson, we are looking at a question which came in Maths paper 1, 2023, G12. The question is saying, evaluate, open bracket, 8 over 27, close bracket, power 1 over 3. So this is the grade 10 question which came in the exams. So now what you need to understand is that when you are given a fraction all the time, when the number which is over 3, that means they want you to find the cube root of the numbers which are inside. That means you have to find the cube root of 8 and also the cube root of 27. But if this number which is on top, that means when you find the cube root, it will be the power of that number now after you find the cube root. So now this one, that means a number always, you must always understand, if there is no power, that means that here is just the same as 1, here is the same as 1. So that means when you say 1 times 1 over 3, it will be 80, 1 over 3 the power, then you say over 27, then 1 times 1 over 3, it will be 27 power 1 over 3. So you have to find the cube root of this one, the cube root of this one. This one is the same as 3. You put this is the symbol, then this is the same as this one, is the same as this one. Then this one is the same as this one. If on top, for example, it was 2 over 3, that means you could have put a 2 here. If even here you could have put a 2, that means to show that it is a power. But since there's not nothing, you have to leave it the way it is. So now the cube root, that means you have to find a number that will multiply itself to 3 times to give you 8. That number is 2. So the cube root of 8 is 2. Because when you multiply 2 times 2 3 times, it's going to give you 8. So that number is 2. And the cube root of 27, it will be 3. Because when you multiply 3 times, it will give you 27. So that means we have found the cube root of 8, which is 2, then the cube root of 27, which is 3. So the final answer, it is 2 over 3. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The undergraduate teacher is where learning never stops. See you in the next video, guys.